Life is but a mirror, looking back at us. Everything we do each day should lead us to impress. And sometimes, when we need to see life differently, we have that mirror to help us change our view gently. The eyes of everyone also reflect back. Mirror comes in different ways to show us what we lack. But most importantly, don't forget to always look. Be your best, and life will look after the rest.
Beautiful people,
handsome faces, live a life, and love your life. No matter what you do, whatever you decide, look at the mirror, and love your life. Beautiful people, handsome faces, live a life, and love your life. No matter what you do, whatever you decide, look at the mirror, and love your life. We sing, we dance, we study, we work. It's all our choice. We'll deal with it. We play, we cry, we right or wrong. It's all our choice. We'll deal with it. Circumstances, list of failure. It's not our fault, but we'll deal with it. You accept, you refuse, or forced to do it. It's not your fault, but deal with it. Beautiful people, come on. Handsome faces, live a life, and love your life. No matter what you do, whatever you decide, look at the mirror, and love your life. Beautiful people, handsome faces, live a life, and love your life. No matter what you do, whatever you decide, look at the mirror, and love your life. We sing, we dance, we study, we work. It's all our choice. We'll deal with it. We play, we cry, we right or wrong. It's all our choice. We'll deal with it. Beautiful people, come on. Handsome faces, live a life, and love your life. No matter what you do, whatever you decide, look at the mirror, and love your life. Beautiful people, handsome faces, live a life, and love your life. No matter what you do, whatever you decide, look at the mirror, and love your life. Circumstances, list of failure. It's not your fault, it's not your fault. But deal with it. You accept, you refuse, or forced to do it. It's not your fault, But deal with it. What we see and what we do are reflections of what is true. Don't let your mirror reflect the things that you do not want to come true. Instead, each day, set your goals. Strive to complete. It is good for your soul. Give life all you've got. Never look in the mirror and stop. Be your best, and life will look after